So, this is video journal number 5. I just showed my results from the VARS test, and I got my first group was strivers. It says that we have a revolving employment, high temporary unemployment. I guess that kind of describes me a little bit right now. We use video and video games as a form of fantasy. I don't do that. That's not me. We're fun loving. Yeah. Yeah, we're fun loving. We're imitative. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Rely heavily on public transportation. No, I have a car. We are the center of low status street culture. I don't know about that. I don't think so. Not for me. That we desire to better our lives, but have difficulty in realizing our desire. That's me. Now that's me. And we wear our wealth. I don't wear my wealth. I don't really have any wealth to wear. So, no, that's not me. So a little bit it describes me, but the desire to better my life, but have difficulty realizing my desire, that's definitely me. So I would have to say that does describe me. As far as the second group, achievers, I think it describes me as well. I have a me first, my family first attitude. Definitely. Probably my family first attitude more than me first. I also believe money is the source of authority. I think money rules the world, and it always will. I committed to family and job. Yeah, I'm committed. When I have employment, I'm committed to it. Fully scheduled. Yeah, but usually doing other people's stuff, not my own. Goal oriented. Yeah, yeah. Hardworking. I am hardworking. Moderate. As anchors of the status quo. I don't like things changing, so that's me. Peer conscious. Somewhat. Yeah. Yeah, I'm peer conscious. Private. I am private. I am professional, and I value technology as a productivity boost. So yes, I think this test describes me somewhat. Some aspects of it isn't doesn't describe me, but some aspects of it really do describe me well. So I hope that answered the question. Let me make sure. Yeah, I think it gives I'll say a 70% accurate assessment of me. Thank you.